प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हो? सुरक्षित हो? अपने घर में हो? अपने घर में रह करके आप ऑनलाइन क्लास का आनंद लीजिए। आज मैं आपको साइंस के अंतर्गत जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ वो है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। तो व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट? दुनिया में जितना भी चीज़ हम लोग देखते हैं that is due to the reflection of light। लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के हमारे आंखों में आता है और फिर हम उसे देखते हैं। तो व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन? एक्चुअली रिफ्लेक्शन इज द बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ रेज आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग फ्रॉम अ शाइनी सरफेस। तो रिफ्लेक्शन क्या है? इट इज द bouncing back of light after striking from the shiny surface। अब ये रिफ्लेक्शन, there are two types of reflection। First is the regular reflection. In regular reflection, the rays reflected from the plane surface. If in a plane surface parallel rays incident, then after reflection it becomes parallel। So this is called regular reflection। Regular reflection takes place from the plane surface, and second is irregular reflection। Irregular reflection, this irregular reflection is taking place through the irregular surface। When a parallel ray incident on irregular surface, then after reflection it will be not parallel। Means parallel ray incident on the surface, but after reflection they are not parallel। This is called irregular reflection। Now image, laws of reflection। Laws of reflection, let us consider a plane surface, shiny surface, painted one side, a ray is incident on this surface, this is called incident ray। After striking the surface it reflected, this is called reflected rays। Now we draw a perpendicular, then this angle, any angle between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of refraction। From the first law of reflection, this angle I is equal to angle R, And the second law of reflection is the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lies in the same plane. And that plane is plane of the mirror. Means incident ray, reflected ray, and normal lie in the same plane. These are the laws of reflection. Now, what is image? When two rays from a single point after reflection meet or appear to meet is the image of that point. अगर कोई एक पॉइंट है उसका इमेज उससे एटलीस्ट दो रेज रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद जहां पर मिलेंगे उसको हम लोग उस पॉइंट को कहेंगे उस सिंगल पॉइंट का इमेज. इमेज दो तरह का होगा, रियल इमेज. Real image will be formed by the actual intersection of reflected ray. Reflected ray. Second is the real image is formed on the screen. थिएटर में जो हम पिक्चर देखते हैं वो स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, दैट इज रियल इमेज. थर्ड वन इज इट इज ऑलवेज इनवर्टेड. ये हमेशा उल्टा इमेज बनता है. And fourth one is it forms in front of mirror. ये मिरर के सामने बनता है. Similarly, another type of image is virtual image. Virtual image. This image is formed by producing the reflected ray. It is formed by producing reflected rays. Second is it cannot be obtained on the screen. Third one is it is always erect. Always erect. Fourth one is it forms behind the mirror. And these points are also is the difference between real and virtual image. Then real image, what is real image? Real image formed by the actual intersection of reflected ray. It forms on the screen and it is always inverted and it forms in front of mirror. virtual image is formed by producing the reflected ray. It cannot be obtained on the screen. It is always erect and it forms behind the mirror. These are two types of image. There are two types of image, real image and virtual image. Now we have to read the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. What is spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is a part of sphere, hollow sphere. So spherical mirror, it is the part of hollow sphere of glass. Let it is a sphere, hollow sphere, and if we this is a part of sphere. If we cut the sphere vertically, then this part of the sphere will be spherical mirror. If we painted outside the sphere, this mirror is called concave mirror. And if we painted inside, then it becomes convex mirror. So basically, spherical mirror are of two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. And spherical mirror is a part of hollow sphere of glass. When we cut the hollow sphere vertically and paint it outside, then concave mirror is formed. If we paint it inside of sphere, then it is convex mirror. Okay, there are two types of mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. It is a center of the sphere. Also, this is one of the sphere, and here is the center of the sphere. This center of the sphere is called center of curvature of concave mirror. This is called center of curvature. And here it is also center of curvature. Now the midpoint of the mirror is called pole. Here also midpoint, it is also called pole. When we join the center of curvature and pole, this line is called principal axis. Here also, if we join the pole and center of curvature, this axis is called principal axis. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius of curvature. The distance Cp is the radius of curvature. In the convex mirror also, this distance Cp is called radius of curvature. The point between center of curvature and pole in the middle is called focus. Here also, the point in the middle of pole and center of curvature is called focus. and this length is called focal length, and PF is called focal length. Here also this is the focal length. As the point F or focus is in the middle of CP and CP is equal to R, then R is equal to F plus F, because PF is equal to F and FC also is equal to F, because this point is in the middle of CP. Therefore, this is 2F and F is equal to R by 2. In this case also F is equal to R by 2. Here is a question: if radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 20 centimeter, what is its focal length? हमने पढ़ा F is equal to R by 2 and the radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. That's why focal length is equal to 20 by 2 means 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we will read what is focus. Let principal focus. What is focus or principal focus? This is a concave mirror painted outside, reflecting surface is inner side. This is the pole, this is the center of curvature, and here this is a convex mirror. Here is also this is pole, this is the center of curvature. Now we have to define focus or principal focus. A ray incident parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through a point on the principal axis. When another ray is incident parallel to the principal axis, it also passes through the same point on the principal axis. This point is known as focus. It means when rays incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet that on the principal axis, that point is called focus. Focus is a point on the principal axis at which rays parallel to the principal axis incident on the mirror, and after reflection they will meet. In this, if ray in convex mirror, if ray incident parallel to the principal axis, it reflected along this direction. If we produce this rays, then it intersect the point, this point on the principal axis. Another ray which is also parallel to the principal axis, after reflection they reflected back, and when we produce these rays, then it also meet at a point on the principal axis. That point is called focus. So in concave mirror, the rays incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection actually meet on the principal axis, and in convex mirror the rays incident parallel to the principal axis. After reflection they appears to meet at a point on the principal axis. That point is called principal focus. तो definition क्या हुआ? It is a point on the principal axis at which rays parallel to the incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet or appear to meet. In the case of concave mirror they actually meet, or in the case of convex mirror they are appear to meet. Okay, this is the definition of principal focus. In the next class we will study the rules of image formation by the spherical mirror. Thank you.